Hey there, and welcome to the Rogue Trader Options Fundamentals course. Thank you. And thank you for putting your trust in us. You've made a great decision, not only from an educational standpoint and the ability to potentially earn money, but also for freedom and independence. Now, we're big believers in being independent. That means not having to rely on government or an employer or the economy doing well. It's being autonomous. It's being able to take control of your own life. And trading is one of the vehicles that can really help give a piece of that stability, that freedom, and that independence to you. Well, some of you are completely new to trading, and that's okay. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter what color you are, what sex you are, where you live, if you're employed full-time, part-time, if you're a single mom, if you're young or old, if you're retired. It does not matter. I've seen the absolutely most unlikely people in the world become fantastic traders and earn a really nice either income or a part-time income doing this. You can turn this training, this opportunity, this investment that you've made in yourself into anything you want it to be. And we'll be there to support you on that journey. The one thing you will absolutely have to do, though, is take action. And that might put you outside of your comfort zone at times. But being outside of our comfort zone is where real growth takes place. That's where real change takes place. And without action, there are no results. And here you have the opportunity to learn, to ask questions, to be supported, so that you never feel like you're on your own. Trading can be a very lonely thing sometimes. Sometimes like being an entrepreneur. Sometimes you feel isolated and alone. We never want that to happen. We always want you to feel like you're supported. We're big believers in the power of a strong, supportive community. So with all that said, I want to thank you and congratulate you again. Please get started with the training. Ask questions if you need to. Consider joining our interactive live Trading Alerts Telegram channel that can really help accelerate your learning, and you will see trading in action. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.